Bad bitty in the city, be back immediately to risk your petty feelings. All your lies, I wish I didn't believe them. That boy is a real thirsty mister. Small world, they are so petty. Young boy looking for someone's sister. Quick release the wrath, watch him fall slowly. His ex-girl still trying to get even. Players mad for whatever reason. Fairy moon boots, yeah they're wolf gray. Who gon' worry about his slick liar anyway? The message so long I'm not blinking. What in the world was he thinking? He has no style to be made. Guess I'll have to imitate. I'm forever bad bitty. All these cowards taking pity.